I'm so excited to be here today to celebrate our new beautiful childbirth unit and all it will bring to our community. This project has truly been an example of what it means to be a community hospital. They say it takes a village to raise a child. It also takes a village to raise a childbirth unit. And we wouldn't have done it without the many contributions from our community partners. At a time when many hospitals and healthcare systems are cutting maternity services, we are proud that San Juan Regional Medical Center has made this investment for our community. We believe that life is better here, and that starts at birth, right here at home. We can't wait to welcome new families into this space so they can welcome their new babies in comfort, safety, and love.
As I stand here today to celebrate the opening of our new Childbirth Center, as I walk the halls of this hospital, I'm often greeted by coworkers asking, "How's your family? How's your daughter's first year at a new high school?" And those simple, genuine moments remind me of what makes this place so special. We are more than a healthcare facility. We are a reflection of this community. We are the community's hospital, built by and for the people who call this area home. This childbirth unit is truly my heart and soul. If you know me when I speak about it, I light up inside. The journey to get here has been one of a vision, perseverance, and teamwork. This was no longer just a renovation project. It was a renewal of our commitment to mothers, babies, and families in our community. Today, standing in this beautiful new space, I see far more than walls and equipment. I see the culmination of years of dedication, the resilience of a team that never gave up, the heart of a community that believes every family deserves the very best start. This Childbirth Center was designed to provide comfort, safety, and warmth, a place where new life begins and lifelong memories are made. It's a shape that blends advanced care with the compassion that has always defined who we are at San Juan Regional Medical Center.